Hello, today we will guide you through how to buy and sell stocks in Trading 212. Let's get started by opening the Trading 212 platform in your browser or app. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account type you intend to use. It's helpful to have your account fully set up and funded beforehand so you can place an order without interruption. Once the platform loads, you'll see the main dashboard with your watch lists, charts, and account overview. Next, head to the search option. This is where you can find any stock available on the platform. Tap or click the search field to bring up the keyboard or cursor so you can begin typing. Type the ticker symbol or company name for the stock you're interested in. A ticker symbol is the short code used to identify a stock on the exchange. As you type, results will appear below. Take a moment to confirm you're selecting the correct listing, especially if the company is traded on multiple exchanges or has different share classes. Select the correct symbol from the results to open its dedicated page. Here you can see the price chart, recent performance, and key details. It's a good habit to quickly check that the currency, exchange, and instrument type match what you expect before proceeding. When you're ready, choose the action you want to take. You'll see options to buy or sell. Select buy if you're opening or adding to a position, or choose sell if you're reducing or closing an existing one. For this walkthrough, we'll focus on placing a buy order. Enter the amount you want to invest. You can usually switch between entering a cash value or a number of shares, and many stocks support fractional shares so you can invest an exact amount. Take a second to confirm whether you're placing a market order, which executes at the next available price, or another order type if you prefer more control over the execution price. Proceed to review order. This summary shows the key details before you commit: the instrument, order type, quantity or value, estimated cost, and any applicable fees or foreign exchange adjustments. Double-check everything here to ensure it matches your intent. Finally, submit the buy order. You'll receive a confirmation that the order has been placed. If the market is open and you used a market order, execution is typically fast. If the market is closed, your order may queue until the next session. To sell later, return to the same stock or open it from your portfolio, choose sell, enter your amount, review, and submit. That's the entire process for buying and selling stocks in Trading 212.